Hi, in this session, I'll be explaining the use of lead and lag in the select queries. These options are available in Releases 7.5 and more. Lead gives the value from next record and lag gives the value from the previous record. We need to know that this can only be specified with order by clause. Let's see this select query. I am selecting data from demo flight and the fields are carrier ID, connection ID, and the third column is lead seats occupied, and next is lag seats occupied, and over partition, the partition is done on carrier ID. For a particular carrier ID, we are going to activate the lead and lag on which column seats occupied. So for each carrier ID, that lead and lag I am activating on seats occupied. The lead column as the third column and lag as the fifth column. You can see here in the screenshot, seats occupied lag gives the from the previous record. So in the first record, there is no previous record of carrier ID AJ, so it's 0. For the second, what is the previous record? 20 to 21. For the third, what is the previous record? 422. And the fourth, the previous record is 441. And it's reverse for lead. For lead, it will be the next record. The next record, the second record is 422. So in the first row, 422 will be shown. And the second, the third row values will be shown. So the seats occupied value, how we are going to present is that the lead or the lag, that depends on these functions, and it driven by the requirement, either we are going to show the next record or we are going to say the previous record. That's all about lead and lag. The point to note is it can only be used by order by, and we need to do partition by field to enable lead or lag. Thank you for watching.